So I've got a bubble here in this rubber. This is in an ice rink. They haven't turned, they're getting ready to turn the heat back on, or the cool back on, and they want this fixed before it gets really cold in here. So we're going to take a look and see what it looks like underneath here. I've already cut the sides. I cut the along the seam there. It looks like I have some water underneath it. So there's some water contamination is what it looks like it's been. So we're going to dry this off, put some power tape on, and put it back. It'll be, this is like a quick and dirty fix to get it going. And it'll still look like a patch. You'll see what's going on here. But all right, we'll come back once we get a little bit further.